Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we're gonna change this worn out grips with the new one that we had. So it's the same one as this right here. So this was used for roughly about 6 months and then it was worn out, so we have an extra here. So we're gonna replace it. Let's go. So let's start by removing the side mirrors. It's a bit stuck, so we're gonna have to wobble it out. Let's go. Okay, it's out. So once we've got the side mirrors out, it's easy to remove this part right here, but the other one, the other grip right there, might take some time. So let's start with the easy one. So just twist this one out. Done. And then just slide it through. So as easy as that. So as you can see, it's very worn out because the other gloves, mainly because the other gloves I use has a slide protector. I grip with the clutch, the protectors will skid on this part right here. So this is the new one that we'll be replacing. So this is the old one and this is the new one. This is a replica of the Ducati Monster grips, but this is just very cheap, guys. Very cheap, like $5. It says Pro Grips, but yeah, it's a cheap Pro Grips, not the original one. As you can see, it's already worn out after less than a year. So just slide this one over. And just gently push this one. Twist this one until the grip is installed. So as easy as that, guys. And then we'll put back the mirrors and see how it looks. Here we go again. Okay, that's it, guys. It's done. Easy as that. But the other one, yeah, I might do another video on that one because that might take some time. But yeah, that's it. That's how easy you replace your old grips. Not grips, just a grip. The left grip in particular. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Just kidding, guys, I'm back. Because I don't want to replace the left grip and the other grip on the right is worn out. So let's do this. Let's remove the side mirror again first. And we'll do the grips. Or the grip after. So let's do the wobble again. Wobble again. This one right here, guys, is a bit tricky. As you can see, I cut this one with the cutter because this one here is a bit longer than the other side, and then when we pull on the throttle will get stuck. So sometimes when I use the throttle, the bar end mirrors hinders the throttle and it will stuck like that. So what I did was to cut the excess rubber here so the throttle won't get stuck on the bar end mirrors. So let's do the same thing on this one. Let's go. So it's like slicing a cake, guys. Oop. Slowly cut the cake. It's like slicing a rubber cake. Just be very extra careful because you might cut along the rubbers. I wanted this part only. I don't want to ruin the grips. very careful. Oops. There you go. So now it's already cut. Let's install this one. So this is the one that we're not be needing with. So it's the, I don't like to cut this one out because it has the logo with the Pro Grip logo, but the trowel might get stuck. So it's better safe than sorry. So let's remove this one. So this is pretty much stuck. I use a key just to pry this out. Very careful. Hey guys, I think it's stuck, so we're gonna have to cut this one open. Or no, but we'll see. So it's still stuck, guys. The first layer of the rubber grips. So let's just keep doing this one. So yeah, it's very hard to remove this part right here compared to the left part. So we're done with this one with less than 5 minutes. This one, I'm not sure. Let's just keep going. I don't want to ruin this, guys, but yeah, this is an old grip, so might as well be ruining the grip instead of the trowel. So that's that. And finally, it is off. First layer is off. So we'll have to deal with this one. It's still stuck, so I might as well be using a cutter for this one. Sorry, grips. Right there. So now let's install the new one. It's gonna be pretty hard again, pretty tough again. Install this one. So let's see. Okay. Still stuck, guys. So the side mirrors on the right side. So let's cut this one. That's that. Clean this one. Gonna be hard, but just try. Okay, so that's a bit hard to install, so what we're gonna do is loop this one out. It's easier for us to slide this one in. So this is the lube that we're gonna use. It's a simple oil, lubricant, because we don't have a WD-40. So just a small amount will do. Let's slide this one in. Alright, so it's there. So let's just gently push this through, just so that we won't damage the layer of these grips. This kind of grips, it's pretty technical to install, guys, because the bottom part of the grip can stuck on the trowel, and then it will just pull. It will just roll itself in, and then it's stuck inside the trowel. So just gently twist this at the opposite side. pretty hard if you don't use a lube on this one, guys. Trust me, I've done this multiple times. All right, finally. Just a little more. All right, here we go. All right, so we'll put back the bar and mirrors, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, just make sure to not, while you're tightening your bar and mirrors, is not gonna hinder the trowel, like this one right here. The trowel, so the trowel will get stuck sometimes, like that. It's very dangerous if you're running in highways. It's like, but it's like there's a pros in this one because it's like a cruise control. Nah, just be careful with that, guys. It's easier to be safe than sorry. That's it, guys. So this is how it looks after we replace this, and this is the old one. Hope you like this video, guys. Please leave a comment down below, and see you on the next one. Peace out.